Wow, it's finally here and I can't wait to drive it. Hello everybody, welcome to the world premiere of an exclusive new vehicle. Its dynamic lines leave you in no doubt as to its sporting genes. And clearly what we're looking at here is the latest member of the Audi compact class family. Well, the smallest Audis have been joined by this exclusive sporty variant, the Audi S1. And the secret here is the combination of the 2-litre TFSI motor, S Sport suspension, and of course, Quattro. So come on, let's take a look inside. Well now, inside this S1, it's almost hard to believe you're in a compact class car. The quality, the equipment, it's everything we've come to expect from Audi. It's almost as if you're in a luxury class model. And what about the room? Well, take a look at this. It's plenty spacious enough. I'm 6'6", 1.97 m, and I fit perfectly. But an S model, well, that's about how it drives, isn't it? I think it's about time we found out, don't you? Wow, this Audi S1 really moves. It's a real athlete. Well, this 2-litre TFSI 4-cylinder motor produces 231 brake horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque. No wonder then it'll catapult the Audi S1 from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 5.8 seconds. You can really feel the S genes working for you immediately, and of course that Quattro system. The traction is remarkable, the feeling of control is overwhelming, and all of this in a compact car. It's hard to imagine having much more fun than this. Well, the Audi S1 is a real athlete, but it's one that's perfect for everyday use, thanks especially to its remarkable efficiency. This groundbreaking engine has a fuel consumption of just 7 litres per 100 kilometres, 5-door body shell, and all the equipment inside that you need to take life in your stride. And it comes as a sportsback, and that means that it's perfect for family life. Well, thank you for joining me for this world premiere. I hope your interest in the Audi S1 has been piqued as much as mine has. I think though, I'm just going to take one last chance to take on these roads. So until the next time, it's goodbye.